All who come to this happy place, welcome.
Where are you from?
Sudan, Africa.
From Africa. And last but not least,
Paul Showtime Gaffney.
Paul Showtime Gaffney, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear for the Harlem Globetrotters.
And I'm from Houston, Texas.
Oh my God. Houston, Texas. Let's hear it for Texas, gentlemen.
I live in Houston, Texas, for a team of large one. From Houston, Texas. Houston rock and roll.
All right.